Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the Bodmas rule. Bodmas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step we solve the innermost parentheses. Now in this expression the small parenthesis is small bracket 6 plus 2 and according to this we'll get 8. According to this step innermost brackets are always come first and now the current expression becomes square bracket curly bracket 48 divided by 8 curly brackets of plus root 81 square bracket of multiplied by 2 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. According to next step, we solve the curly braces. Now 48 divided by 8 division part. Calculated after we get 6. According to this, proceed the outward to evaluate the next bracket layer. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 6 plus root 81 and then square bracket of multiplied by 2 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the roots inside the square brackets. Now there is a root. Now root 81 will get 9. According to this step, inside the bracket group, root order must be handled before performing the addition. And now the current expression becomes 6 plus 9 multiplied by 2 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. Complete the square brackets addition. Now calculate 6 plus 9 gives 15. According to this step, this concludes all the bracketed group steps. And now the conclusion says 15 multiplied by 2 minus 10% of 50. Move to the next step. Now calculate off operation. Now there is a off. Calculated 10% of 50. Now 10 multiplied by 50 upon 100. After calculating this value, we'll get 5 as a result. According to this step, the off term takes priority over the regular multiplication and subtraction. And now the current expression becomes 15 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Move to the next step, multiplication. Now 15 multiplied by 2 will get 30. And according to this step, multiplication must be finished before performing subtraction. And now the current expression becomes 30 minus 5. Now perform the last step, which is subtraction. Finish the last remaining operation, which is 30 minus 5. According, we'll get 25 as a final result. So now according to this expression, by using the Bodmas sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 25. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.